My family, good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and anytime you come across my YouTube channel, guys. I really appreciate you all for your support. So, guys, today's video, I know what we want cook. A fried rice thing, so say sometimes fried rice will see the hungry you, but today now when come be see my birthday, they come for grand so I say make I cook fried rice. Make I cook fried rice so make I take celebrate my birthday for myself, you understand? So guys, now wetin I need take cook my fried rice na una dey see. So me I like this margarita well for rice. I like am very well. So my salt be this. I dey see the ingredients, so thyme, leaf. This me I dey like this green leaf for rice well. My curry, my nutmeg, my maggi, my fried rice things. Na the same so. My onions, carrots, gizzard. I dey see the green leaf and all that. Green beans. This one na pepper, na the color. See my rice, this one na the meat when I meat water. I no put na just the meat water be down. So now the things when I need take cook my fried rice be this one. I know everybody get their own way of cooking. So my own way when I see they cook my fried rice now I want to share with you now. So make una stay tuned, guys. Make we do this video together. If you need fried rice, not be the one when you go spend 2 hours for kitchen. Wetin be 2 hours sef, 10 hours. So my meat dey inside my oven, not too much. I don already fry my oven. I don already do am finish since. So guys, stay tuned. Don't go. So guys, now my meat, the things when I want use, go add am inside the pot. So this one so now na pepper. Na be this one so. Don already add everything inside the pot. So I don't add everything now. We don check am if the salt dey okay to my taste. Understand? My baby dey say dey my back. Stay tuned, guys. We'll just wash our rice. Cover this one, make this one dey boil. Before this one will boil, we don wash our rice. We'll add everything inside. So guys, I don already add everything inside this pot. So thing I go do now, I go just mix everything together so that the ingredients will enter, and then on the gas, leave it in low heat to be cook with my butter. Low heat, just leave the thing for low heat so that this one will just dey do you, because not be every day person dey eat fry. No, so you're not still too good for chest. So my meat I just boil am, leave am for oven, make it dey there. I no use groundnut oil even come outside for inside the chicken. So this one now is still dey fire, dey boil. After I don boil, I'll come wash my rice with hot water, put for inside. So not be every day person dey fry food dey chop. So guys, stay tuned as we do it together. God bless you for supporting me. So now we wan add our rice. The water don boil, because me I no wan make my video long, because na food, don't be any other thing. Yeah, me I no parboil the rice because I no like am. I no like rice when they parboil. So na so e go be. See this one still dey fire. They boil on it. Oh, thank you guys, and God will bless my one after they support me. I love you guys. See the talking. I no fry am o. No fry am. Just put am for oven. See as it dey dry. So guys, this is what we have now. We just turn the rice and the ingredients together. Use nylon to cover it and leave them to marry their self. Now really marriage. Just cover it with nylon. Just easy way to cook fried rice, you understand? Easy way. So you can't spend that many hours for kitchen. All in the name of fry. Too much frying itself not good for chest. Too much frying not good. I won't use nylon now, cover am. So guys, we will see the outcome later. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, for watching. Our fried rice is ready. So I did not fry the rice, guys. The rice is still hot. So I just leave it to cool. But me, I love hot food. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.